Hey everyone, Jesse from Sicard RV. Today I'm going to show you some of my favorite features on the Leisure Travel Van Unity 24 Murphy bed. Starting on the exterior, we got this lovely big storage area, which can actually fit a full set of golf clubs. You got your exterior table in here, as well as the piece if you order the optional exterior ladder. This is the part that attaches onto it, so it can go from the ground up. All right, we're gonna head on inside, but if you notice first, before we go inside, this beautiful exterior paint. This is the Eurosport, which gives you a black and a white color. Very modern, very nice looking. We got the electric awning up top with the LED strip, as well as an LED security light. We're gonna head on inside and I'll show you some of the features. So this particular unit was ordered with the espresso brown cabinets and the sand colored leather. So this is ordered with the optional upgraded Leisure Lounge Plus, where we have these beautiful electronic reclining chairs that are very easy to move and swivel. You got a nice little table on the middle. This mirror comes down to make a full table, so you have lots of space when you're eating or if you want to play a card game or something like that, as well as the front seats up here will swivel with the cab dining area, so that way you have a secondary dining area if you need it. Alrighty, so we have our little kitchen area here with the 2-burner stovetop, all stainless steel, including the nice big barn style sink, all stainless steel, matching counterpiece that goes in the middle. This is one of the cool things that I love about a Leisure Travel Van. It's got this fancy dancy fridge and freezer that you can open up from either side, both for the freezer and for the fridge area. Pretty cool. All right, inside the bathroom, we got a lot of storage. We got a large hanging closet in here. Smaller storage area, medicine cabinet, storage everywhere. A lot of people like this on the Murphy bed model too. This is the larger shower. So plenty of room there, your shoulders won't touch. All right, heading back into the living room area, I'm gonna show you guys the Murphy bed. It's pretty simple. So you remove the leather pieces from here. Alrighty, now we're ready to bring the bed down. Undo the locking latch, there's one on either side. And just like that, your bed comes down. Locks into place, you undo the tabs. Look at that. That is a big bed for only in a 24-foot floor plan. So those are some of my favorite features. Oh, and before we leave, I got one last one for you. You'll notice that there's glass underneath this piece of counter. That's where the TV is. And if you want to bring the TV up higher, all you gotta do is pull that lever and the TV comes up so you can see it while you're laying in the bed. Or if you want to keep the counter space and use it as like a fireplace underneath for some ambiance, you can do that as well. All right. I'm Jesse from Sicard RV. If you guys have any questions, feel free to email me at jesse@sicardrv.com.